Will not be able to endure much more of this.
Oh, look
how strong she is. Oh, God. But she's got her hooked up. Bell bangs Theory.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
1, 2, 3.
Get the Texan.
Sends her off. Maggie caught the kick. Nixie telegraphed it and went face first. Oh, punt to the midsection. Maggie off the ropes. Stomp down right to the back of the neck. Maggie Lee, waist lock, wheelbarrow position. Variation of a sunset driver.
And back and forth they go. Ivelisse has got Thunder Rosa hooked up and Tombstone Piledriver. 1, 2, 3. Good grief.
The winner of this match. And
through. It's a cover. Again, just a 2 count, but again, Jinny holds on. And what's Jinny looking for now?
I think she calls this, Andy. She calls this the style.
now Tormenta Scott, Penelope up.
She's going for the Styles Clash. Here it is. But she can't go for a cover.